Hello, in this video we're going to go over the timing and pacing for the ACT, and we're going to make a lot of comparisons to the SAT here because this is one of the key differences between the two exams. First and foremost, the sections that you take in the ACT are always in the same order: English, math, reading, science, and the optional essay. They allot for a total time of 3 hours and 35 minutes. That is 15 less minutes than the SAT. And then the question count is 215 pure multiple choice questions with an essay on top of that. And that is 61 more questions than the SAT. So what we're seeing here is you have less time to answer more questions, but you also want to keep in mind that this is a test that allows a calculator for the entire math portion. And also it's all multiple choice instead of a free response that the SAT math section has at the end of each of its math tests. Looking at the pacing for the English section, you can see 36 seconds per question. And this is a great example of how the ACT pacing is all in all. It's very fast. You want to know when to hold them. You want to know when to fold them. You're going to have pretty much three responses that you have in your mind when you look at a question. First and foremost, oh, I can answer this. Let me get this out of the way. Two, I know how to answer this. It could take me a lot of time though. Let me skip this and come back to it when I have time at the end of my section. Or three, I have no idea how to answer this. Let me skip it now and not waste any more time, and I'll come back to it without the pressure of knowing I have 30 more questions. So these are things you want to counterbalance in your mind and think about what best suits you as a test taker. When you're taking any exam, looking back on other exams that you've taken. And also I recommend to students that you take both tests and see which one you naturally score higher on, because that may be the route you take in deciding whether you take the ACT or the SAT.